feature has come out where you can actually take a planner plan and turn it into a template. I don't know about you, but I do not like reinventing things and rebuilding a great planner plan once I've developed it. So here's a first takeaway for you. It must be a basic plan right now to find this feature. And all you do is look in the right under share, and there it is, publish as a template. And let's just fill in some information. What I especially love is that you can choose what goes in the template. So here's an example from one of my clients. They don't want checklists, they don't want attachments, and they don't want goals because those are project specific. But what they do care about is, hey, do we have a standard label structure? Do we have standard notes? And we have buckets that the company has agreed upon. So let's see what happens when we publish it. Let's pretend it's tomorrow and we want to grab that template. What do? Well, we create a plan normally, but check out created by me, and there's your template you can grab. So use this immediately. Make yourself more efficient. Build templates for projects or plans that you want to repeat. Thank you, Microsoft, for thinking about what we need to be more efficient.